Well, this is the first time that ICTM is presenting, so let's give them a very, very big hand.
Performing the skit Failure of Success. Date January 2004, the placement time. A hot seat for every student and management of any institute. So is the case for Kamala Vihar Management Institute. Every year about 95% of the students are being placed. This year has been no different. But what about those 5% who don't get a job? Has anyone ever thought about them? What do they do with their degrees? Why don't they get placed? So let us join one of the interviews in progress.
Next.
May I come in, sir?
Yeah, come in.
First place, sir?
Yeah, take a seat.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Sir, actually, my name is Vishal Mahendra Sharma, sir, full name. You can call me Vishal Sharma. But that way my name is Vishal, sir, and my pet name is Tingu, sir. So you can call me whatever you want. Sir, I was born on this earth in 1978. Sir, I was born on this earth on 1978, and it's been 20 years now since I am here.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. What is your specialization, sir?
Specialization. Specialization, sir. Sir, dual specialization. Sir, dual specialization. I have done dual specialization. I have specialized in marketing, IT. Sir, I have also done finance, sir. We have 6 subjects of finance every semester. 6 for the, sir. About 24 subjects I have done. Therefore, I am good in marketing, I am good in IT, I am good in finance. Actually, what job is your company looking for, sir?
Specialization in everything.
Yes, sir. I specialize in everything, sir.
Then can you define marketing?
Marketing. So marketing very easy, sir. Marketing means Kotler.
Oh, Kotler.
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
You know, actually, the first page, sir, marketing is actually, it's a process. Marketing is a process. So there are 10 entities. I'll tell you, sir. There are 10 entities. Goods, services. Marketing is actually a process, sir. I'll tell you, sir. Yes,
Process.
yeah, it's a process, sir. Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Vishal.
Yeah.
You have done specialization in everything.
Yes, sir.
So what kind of job you are looking for?
So job?
Yeah,
I'm looking for a very normal job, sir.
normal.
To be very frank with you, very normal job. Sir, I don't expect much from any company, sir. I just want a cabin,
Oh, you
not
want-
more than that.
You need a cabin.
Yeah, sir, my institution is fully air conditioned, sir. So I've got used to air conditioning now. So if your this company can provide me an AC, it will be very fine, sir. But if you can't provide, I'll manage with the fan. One more quality that I have, sir. I manage things very well, sir.
Yeah.
Means, sir, yes, sir, I'm adjusting very well to the environment. So that can be done. Sir, I need a secretary.
Oh, you need a secretary.
Yes, sir.
also.
And
Excellent.
preferably a female, sir, and good looking. Okay? I want all these criteria to be done. Then it's very well done, sir.
Okay, thank you, Vishal.
Sir, but marketing. Sir, marketing is the process by which.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you.
We'll let you know at
What about the job, sir?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
Can I sit, sir?
Yeah, I will see.
Sir, how are you, sir?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
What is your name, ma'am?
So my name is Kalyani, but you can call me Callis, sir.
Thanks. What's your specialization, ma'am?
My specialization?
Yeah.
So, as I've done my specialization in systems, sir.
You have done specialized systems.
So,
Then let's start with the basic of
sure, sir, sure.
what is C?
You mean C language?
Yeah.
So C stands for customer, and C language is language for customers.
Oh, good. Then what is C++?
C++.
Yeah.
Customer satisfaction, customer delight.
Oh, excellent. Then have you idea on Oracle?
Oracle, I've heard it somewhere. Opposite to miracle or something like that,
Superb,
sir.
superb. Then can you say something on VB?
VB. Values and benefits. Simple, sir.
Excellent. Kalyani, I am really confused. Have you specialized in marketing or IT?
Actually, sir, I always wanted to do marketing.
Oh.
But my college didn't give me marketing, they put me into systems. But sir, I always used to attend marketing classes, sir.
That means you have done specialization in IT, but you are attending marketing classes.
Yes, sir.
That's excellent. It looks smart.
Yes, sir.
Then Kalyani,
Yes, sir.
if I give you a job, what kind of value addition you can do for my company?
Value addition. So lots of value addition, sir. Sir. Sir, I can market your systems and I can manage your systems through marketing.
Okay, I understood, Miss Kalyani. Thank you. Thank you for
Sir, can I explain the job, sir?
We'll let you know.
Sir, please tell me now.
Thank you, Miss Kalyani.
Sir, have a nice day, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right.
So much so for the interviews. Let us see what they do in their GDs.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, gentlemen, please, gentlemen, please, okay. Please, gentlemen, have a seat, please. Today, the topic of GD is HPCL and BPCL disinvestment. Okay, please, yeah. Let me make the rules of game clear. You will be given 5 minutes for the discussion, and your time starts now.
Sir, I feel actually the country should disinvest in people who are against disinvestment. That is the point I say, sir.
Sir, I have an opinion, like HPCL and BPCL both are brothers. Because HPCL is a male name and BPCL is again a male name. So they both are brothers.
No.
Sir,
I disagree with this point. If you actually go to see, HPCL and BPCL are not brothers. They are actually sister concerns. They are not brothers.
Sir, I have...
See,
Sir,
HPCL, BPCL, IPCL is common between them. HMB differs. That is common for girls. Therefore, they are sister concerns.
okay, but sir, I have a point of view. Sir, there is lot of capital formation in the country. So
What's going on?
HPCL and BPCL, if they come together and marry, so it would be very beneficial for...
Sir, objection. Sir, my friend said in the first point that they are brothers. According to Indian constitution, two brothers cannot get married.
Two sisters also cannot get married.
It's an objection point, sir.
Sir,
Actually, this cannot be possible. Yes. Come on.
My friend...
Okay, gentlemen.
Sir,
Please be silent.
sir.
Please be silent. I don't want such people in my company.
Sir, I got the meaning of
Okay,
this, gentlemen.
okay, gentlemen. No. Sir, please. I don't want such people in my company. Okay.
Sir,
Shut up.
Now, the placement process is over. Still, the students are not placed. They are now sitting in the room and discussing about their grim future.
What is this, yaar? I didn't get the call from the company.
Oh.
I gave my interview so well. I told them what is C, C++, Oracle, VB, everything.
Oh,
Hey, Kalyani.
you're indigenous.
You're looking beautiful that day also. Yes.
Actually, they should have called me for that.
You should have seen my interview, man. He asked me what? I said yes. He asked me how? I said. He asked me when? I said. Very fast. Fast.
Friend, I also told everything.
Very fast.
I think I also told everything about HPCL and BPCL.
Why were you fighting that day, yaar?
It's not fighting. That is called group discussion, Rambo.
and that company was saying that they were fighting within each other.
Not like that, actually. It's not
Guys!
What?
Do you want to prove yourself?
Yes!
Do you want to show your management skills?
Yes!
Do you want to prove the world?
Yes!
Then I've got an idea. We'll rob a bank.
What?
Yes.
Not.
Why? See, I'll tell you. What do you need for success? Mantra of marketing. 4 M's. Man, material, money, and management skills.
Okay.
Man that we are.
Yes.
Woman. Hey, wait. Materials that we have.
Yes.
Management techniques that we do.
Yes.
And money. Money will get through all those 3 M's.
Wow.
What do you say?
Yeah.
Hey guys, see, I'm telling you, I've made my mind. Are you guys with me? I think he has a very valid point.
Okay.
My friend, and I'm ready to support him.
Yes. Yes.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
But thanks. How do you do it? But how do we start with this, yeah?
Of course, yeah. Anything has to be started with market research.
Why market research? Arey, Dumbo, market research. I'll tell you why. See, there are 20 banks. You know the bank's name. You also know which is the nearest one. You also know which is on the outskirts.
Absolutely.
Also come to know that how much money it has.
Hey, listen. We'll do it in probability sampling, huh?
Probability sampling? What's this, yeah?
Let me tell now. Every bank should get the opportunity to be robbed. Equal opportunity.
And then we will analyze the balance sheet of various banks.
Yes.
And then if the liability of a bank goes up, there will be more liquidity.
Arey yaar, we don't want liquidity, we want money.
Arey my friend, more the liquidity in the bank, more the cash. More the cash, more the money. Yes. But wait. See, we rob a bank today, then what will be the future value of that money? And also if we invest after a few months, then what will be net present value, yaar?
Oh, I get your hint. You are telling we should calculate the net present value and the net future value.
Yes,
exactly. If you calculate those value, then we can prepare the cost sheet. If we prepare the cost sheet, Karan, you prepare the cost sheet.
Yeah, I will prepare the cost sheet. Yeah, that's okay, absolutely.
Okay, one more thing I think, we should also check the feasibility of robbing the bank actually, how feasible is the bank to get robbed? Actually for that, we had that topic here. Yeah, test of hypothesis.
It was in stats now.
Exactly. Every bank should have a statistically significant solution to get robbed. So therefore, what is the probability? We have that here, that man had taught us a mu zero, that what mu zero is equal to.
Arey, Dumbo, not is equal to, less than.
No, equal to.
Arey, less than.
Equal to.
Arey, see, you passed in 5 attempts, I in 10 attempts. I know better than you.
Then do it. Okay, fine. This is all done, my friends. But what about, now we are 5 people. There are so many jobs to be done.
Hey, listen. I don't want any hard task. I want a relaxed one.
We'll give you a beauty wala job, don't worry.
Yeah.
See, why do you fear, yaar? See, we are 5 people. There are so many things to be robbed in the bank. Who will do what? Why do you fear, yaar? When Patil is here, oh, I'll make assignment models, okay? Oh, just a minute, I'll assign you. Row cancel. That is QT and apply. Just
What
a
is
minute.
QT?
Oh, quantitative techniques.
Oh, yeah.
Row cancel, row 0, column
Hello.
0.
Yes, fine.
Okay, add where there is intersection, don't add where there is 0. Okay, I got it. Vidhu, you take care of guard.
Yes. Me.
Wait a minute. Okay, you take care of locker. Okay, I take the locker. You take care of cashier.
Okay.
And Kalyani, you take care of alarm.
Yeah.
And I'll manage manager.
Okay. But I believe, friends, it won't work. Why, Karan? Why? Why are you demotivated, man? See, listen, we all are working as a team. We should have our own mottos. See, and remember one thing, that the team's motto is more important than personal mottos. Do you understand that? Yes. Friend, thank you for motivating me.
Hey,
You are a very good HR manager.
Karan.
Wait.
these HR people don't know anything. Making fine fantas, huh?
Wait, you see.
Yeah.
See, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, साथ है फ्रेड लुथांस, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। Oh, guys, that reminds me. I got the answer of feasibility, huh? I'll tell you. See, I see that BCCI Bank at Ram Garden Road, it has got the highest feasibility to be robbed.
Oh, beautiful, yaar.
Now, let me check what is the position in the stock market. Hello? Yeah. BCCI Bank. Shares going up. Okay, friends.
Yeah.
We will rob BCCI. Yay! That does it. Now we are all ready to
Hey,
rob the bank.
listen, you can't do it.
Why?
Listen, if we are successful in the market, we need to have a brand name.
Yes.
Listen, there are so many people who are going to follow us. So, let's build a brand name. Think about it, think.
Humbug. No.
It should be some jazzy name, no?
Jazzy name.
Dil chahta hai?
Are you going for a movie?
No. Oh, how about this? The Five Amigos. Yes.
Bankers cries wherever we go.
Oh,
So
fine,
friends,
amigos.
we are right now well equipped. We have a brand name, the Five Amigos. We have a punchline which says
Bankers cries wherever we go.
we've done a proper market research with probability sampling. We have assigned everyone the proper things. But now one thing. What about the transportation thing? What about transportation? Yeah, I bet that also easy for you guys. I've done with transportation models. You come by car, you buy bicycle, take a double, okay? That reduces the cost. And you have to come by bike only. And I'll come by my scooter, okay?
Yes, we'll do it.
We